Can someone please explain to me what evaporated milk is? Wouldn't that just be gas by definition? I live in constant fear. No, it's what's left behind after the milk has been evaporated, because only the water goes, not the other stuff. There's water in milk?! What did you think the liquid was? I don't know, is it milk its own liquid? No! It's milk stuff mixed with water! Milk stuff? Doesn't it just come from the cow's tit? It's like tit juice! There is water in juice, and there is water in milk! It's fat droplets suspended in water with some nutrients and so forth dissolved in it. You know, like ranch dressing. Evaporated milk is just dehydrated milk. Obsessed with the user or assume milk was its own element on the periodic table. As OP, I felt like I had to make this. Milk. The forbidden 119th element. The only question left is if it's a metal, non-metal, or metalloid. OP seems to have classified it as a special case of hafnium, reclassified as a lanthanide. This has fascinating implications for electron orbital geometry. Anyway, it's a rare earth metal, apparently. Yes, I definitely classified it intentionally and knew exactly what I was doing when I put it with the lanthanides, because I am never wrong. Milk is a rare earth metal! I thought so. I took one look at your classification and immediately thought, this is definitely someone with a deep understanding of how the periodic table works. I'm glad that we have reached a consensus on the expected elemental properties of milk. I'd really like to know what @Durin the Scarlet Pescatarian's thoughts are on milk's electron orbital geometry. That would involve writing a crash course on how suborbitals work, on a post about whether water, the primary ingredient in milk, is in milk, and even for Tumblr, that's going a bit far. No, it is absolutely not going too far! You guys always complain that you don't get to learn stuff in normal ways, and then you come asking for this.
Milk is several compounds, please, you're killing me over here.
We have a container of dry milk because in addition to a little fat and sugars, it contains proteins, which settle into the pores of nitrocellulose membranes, making sure analytical proteins, specific antibodies, don't get trapped. We could just use one casein, one of the proteins in milk, but milk is much cheaper and can also be found at Walmart. No, milk is a lanthanide. Keep up.
Lanthanide? I think you mean lactanide.
I will put Lego in all of your shoes. A cube of milk with 3 inches of edge length can blow up the galaxy. Our galaxy is actually the result of such an explosion. That's why we call it the Milky Way. This is a unique sort of thread in which you'll find 2 types of people exclusively. Nerds and dumbasses. This is one of those threads that would go perfectly as a video set to In the Hall of the Mountain King, and we all know it. I'm just not going to be the one to make it. And guess who did? You coward.